Hi, everybody. I'm Trisha Ghosh. I'm a mortgage loan originator, and today I wanted to bring you a video about a specific loan product. And it's a loan product that has no income limits in certain areas and only requires 3% down. And that's the Fannie Mae HomeReady or Freddie Mac HomePossible loan. They're two different loan products, but very similar in how you qualify for them and everything. So let's talk about them. The HomeReady and HomePossible versus a standard conventional loan, there are some benefits there. And so typically, if you qualify for the HomeReady or HomePossible, then you only have to put down 3%, which is really nice, save you some money there, versus a conventional loan where the minimum is 5% down. There's also no income limits if the property is in a low or moderate income census tract, which I'm going to show you how to find those here in just a second. And the interest rate is lower on the HomePossible and HomeReady loans versus a conventional mortgage. So that's really nice because there's no loan level price adjusters, and you don't need to know what an LLPA is. Just know that it helps have your interest rate be lower. And then the mortgage insurance is actually lower as well on the HomeReady HomePossible loans versus a standard conventional loan. So how do you figure out which homes are eligible for this? How do you know if you're eligible for it? Well, anybody that has 80% or less of the area median income is eligible for a HomeReady HomePossible program. But if your income is a little bit higher than that, then you need to find a home in a low or moderate income census tract. And to do that, you go to this FFIEC map. So I'm going to show you this is what it looks like. And it always defaults to the current year. And so sometimes if they haven't updated the income for that year, you may have to change the year to where it can actually update and get the current numbers. So I went and I found a property that's on the market here and copy and pasted this into the FFIEC map, right? And so it found it, put this red dot on the map where I searched. And I want to know if that's a low or moderate income census tract. So I go here to the census demographic data and drop that down. And right here, income tract level, it shows moderate, which is what we want. If it's moderate or low, then we're good. And there's no income limits, and you can qualify for this program. So that's what's really nice. If you wanted to follow those steps again, just pause the video where I had it on the slide before. Another way to find some different census tracts is when you're on this website, you can actually click the user select track over here. And then you can scroll to wherever you want to go and look at the different tracks and just click on a specific tract. And it'll allow you to drop a dot in there. And then again, you drop down the census demographic data and it shows this is a moderate income census tract. Let's go over here on this side of 35. It's a middle. So that would have the income limits for you to be able to use this program. But any of the census tracts kind of on the east side, going up into almost to about 12th Street, even um, north of the river, everything like that. So just play around with it and see, or you can put in a specific address, however you would like. And it's really nice to know what areas the homes are in that you can qualify for no income limits. So, all right, going back to the slideshow here. So there's those steps again if you wanted to see the how to get to the income track limits. The benefits of the HomeReady and HomePossible program. So it's lower interest rate, right? So you're going to save more on your monthly payment. Give a smaller down payment so you don't have to save as long to be able to build up those funds for the down payment. And there's no income limits in those low or moderate income areas. So it doesn't matter how much you make, you can still qualify for this program. And then there are some easier qualification because of that flexible income that we can do. And sometimes we can use some different income sources as well. So your dream home may be closer than you think, and that's really awesome. But if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. Contact me to see if you do qualify for this loan program. And please ask me for help in finding specific eligible properties as well. Thanks so much. I hope everyone has a great week.